Hi mga besh, it's your soft girl na walang tulog, and today we're off to Ilocos for a 3 days and 2 nights getaway na puno ng good vibes at gastos na hindi nakaschedule sa budget. Pero worth it naman because hello, we're here for the memories, not for the money, char! Kasama ko today si Maurice and literal, hindi pa talaga kami naka-check-in. Watsons agad ang tinakbo, and girl, priorities yan. Kahit puyat, dapat may tint. Hindi tayo pwede magbigan na mukhang tuyot, no? Hindi bagay yan sa branding ko, besh. After the quick retouch, we started exploring vegan. We rode a kalesa, and yes, I felt like a doña from a historical teleserye. Pero real talk lang ha, oo. Yung kabayo, mas photogenic pa sa amin, oo. Legit, parang sinasabing ako na lang ang i-feature nyo sa thumbnails, pwede. Ako na ito, mukhang akong iniwan sa gitna ng Kalye Crisologo. Then we checked out the ancestral houses. Very historical and very I read this in grade school. Pero you know, in reality, hinahanap lang talaga namin kung saan talaga yung malamig. And girl, it's giving museum and sauna combo yan. So next up, the Sundance. We tried ATV and sunboarding, which I thought was gonna be chill. But no, besh. First bump pa lang, I was screaming like I was in the horror movie, no? After the trail, we chilled by the beach. Sunset, sea breeze, kunwaring deep in thoughts. Pero honestly, iniisip ko na kung enough ba yung puhunan ko next week. Hashtag business-minded pa rin kahit nagbabakasyon yan. So finally, check-in time. Pero syempre, hindi pa tapos ang gabi. So nag-dinner muna kami and then full-on bonding with Lynn and Barkada. At tignan mo guys, may pa-video kay ang bakla. Si Lynn na feeling Ariana Grande and ako na tamang nasa background lang and giving more support habang sumisigaw ng flat notes. So next day, sila Mima and my sister went to the zoo and ako. Sa car lang, naka-shades at nakahiga. Hindi na ako pagod kasi ako na talaga yung pagod na pagod. Hindi na ako sumama kasi I choose peace and aircon. Pauwi na kami pero girl, ang ingay pa rin sa van. May mga kumakanta, kahit paos, may tumatawa na parang hindi kami napagod for 3 days. Yung alam mo talagang pagod na yung katawang lupa mo pero hindi ka talaga papahuli sa energy. So pagdating sa bahay, wala nang kaartihan. Diretsong bagsak sa kama. Yung lakad ko paakyat, parang slow-mo scene sa movie. So alam mo yon, no dialogue, just pure pagod. Pero alam mo, worth it. We survived, we laughed, we explored, and we create so many moments na uulit-ulitin namin sa group chats for weeks. And besh, real talk to ha, minsan you have to get tired, get sunburned, and laugh without limits para lang maalala mong buhay ka. It's not about having the perfect trip, it's about being with the right people, the ones who make chaos fun and simple things unforgettable. Joy doesn't come from the plans, it comes from the people, from the laughter, the mess, and the memories. And that's how it is, and that's it mga besh. Another day of soft girl energy, hard girl grind, and konting kaartihan for balance. See you on my next vlog. Goodbye!